Chapter 5, IT Applications and Future of Computers. Central idea: what is information technology? Components of information technology. Importance of information technology. Concepts and benefits of e-business, e-governance, and e-learning. Introduction. In different ages, people use different materials and methods for communication, such as rocks and stones, palm leaves, animal leather, and handcrafted manuscripts for storing and transmitting the information from one place to another and to the next generation. These means of information were limited and confined to the elites, but the advent of printing enabled information to be truly widespread throughout the world, to move to a more equitable level in terms of access to knowledge. Components of information technology. 1. Hardware. Physical component of the information system is called hardware. Hardware consists of the input-output device, processor, communication equipment and media devices, etc. 2. Software. Software consists of set of instructions. 3. Data. Data consists of raw facts and figures used to process the data to produce meaningful information. 4. Database. Database is an organized form of information data. 5. Network. It helps in connecting multiple users to share information and resources. 6. Users. The purpose of an information system is to provide valuable information to the end users. Importance of information technology. In business, in science and engineering, entertainment sector, in medicine, security, in government sector. The concepts of e-business, e-governance and e-learning are possible due to the IT. E-business. E-business uses technology effectively to access and delivers business-related services and perform various kinds of business transactions. Benefits of e-business. 1. Cost-effective marketing. Cuts advertising and marketing costs. 2. Reduces transaction cost. 3. Attracts new customers. 4. 24/7 service availability. 5. Saves time and energy. 6. Developing a competitive strategy. Some e-business websites are Flipkart, Amazon, eBay, Jabong, Snapdeal. E-governance. E-governance is the use of information and communication technology (ICT) to transform the traditional governance system by making it accessible, transparent, effective, and accountable. It provides greater access to government information and services by making the government accessible online. The goal of e-governance is to interact with the world and strengthen the relationship between government and citizens using technology. Benefits of e-governance. 1. Speed. Technology makes communication faster. 2. Cost reduction. Internet and phones makes communication cheaper, saving valuable money for the government. 3. Transparency. The citizens can see the information whenever they want to see. 4. Accountability. Once the governing process is made transparent, the government is automatically made accountable. 5. Minimum use of paper. 6. Reduces corruption. Implementation areas of e-governance. 1. Public grievances. 2. Ration card, Aadhaar card, PAN card. 3. Rural services, land records. 4. Police, FIR registrations, lost and found details. 5. Social services, birth, school, death certificates. 6. Public information about employment, hospitals, railways, etc. 7. Online payments, electricity, water, telephone bills, etc. 8. Commercial, e-filing of income tax, house tax, custom duty, excise duty. Some websites of e-governance are incometaxindia.gov.in, india.gov.in, aadhaar.gov.in, rbi.org.in. E-learning. E-learning is electronic learning, learning conducted via electronic means, typically on the internet. New technologies are changing the way we learn, and they have also changed the process of teaching. Both teachers and students are using these new educational technologies to achieve specific academic goals. Benefits of e-learning. 1. Freedom to learn at their own convenience and at a place that is right for them. 2. E-learning is faster than the traditional approach. 3. Lower costs. 4. More effective learning. 5. 24/7 accessibility makes scheduling easy. Yes, the other sites are ePathshala, iCBSE, Moodle, Code Academy, a tutor, edX. Use of information technology to society. Society has accepted information technology, IT, in various ways. It has impacted education, communication, job creation, agriculture, entertainment. We are becoming increasingly dependent on the computers. They are used in business, crime detection, and even to fly planes. Today, computers are used almost everywhere. It is impossible to imagine our life without PCs, internet, mobile phones, and other computer devices. It is reasonable to think that people look forward to the future of computers. Future computers will be more human-oriented, knowing how to track the users, behaviors, and habits, thus better serving their individual needs. Think when in future there are no books in the school and all work will be done on the computers. Even homework will be done on the internet and emailed to the teacher. Children will be taught about computers at a younger age. This in turn will make young generations more and more skilled in electronics and understand how they work. What is a chat robot? Chat robots are computer programs that mimic human conversation through artificial intelligence, AI. A chatbot will communicate with a real person, but applications are being developed in which two chatbots can communicate with each other. So, a chatbot is a piece of software that is designed to automate a specific task. It is also known as TalkBot, Chatterbot, bot, I am bot, interactive agent, or artificial intelligence. AI is the science of making intelligent machines that work and react like humans. AI does not mean that a computer can think like humans and learn things naturally. AI means a program with abilities to solve problems on its own. Some of activities with AI designed for computers includes speech recognition, learning, planning, problem solving. Application of chatbots. There are lots of applications for chatbots such as e-commerce bots, from ordering pizza to ordering shoes. Handling minor daily tasks, for example, Poncho is a great local weather bot. Content delivery. Look at the Wall Street Journal and TechCrunch. Event reservation, restaurant reservation, doctor appointments, movie tickets, etc. Personalized helpers helps you to manage your health, your grocery list, your social life. Travel bots helps to book flights and connect with locals and tourist guides. E-commerce bot provide customer service. E-commerce is selling and buying items electronically on the internet. A bot that's your friend. In China, there is a bot called Xiaoice, built by Microsoft, that over 20 million people talk to. Chatbots work based on rules. The bot is very limited. It can only respond to very specific commands. If you say the wrong thing, it doesn't know what you mean. Bots are as smart as it is programmed to be. Chatbot works using machine learning. The bot has an artificial brain, aka artificial intelligence. You don't have to be ridiculously specific when you are talking to it. It understands language, not just commands. Bot continuously gets smarter as it learns from conversations it has with people.